Whether you're searching for the most effective crypto trading robot for beginners or you're an experienced crypto trader trying to find personalized crypto robot trading that allows you to execute your crypto trading strategies, either way, you're in the best location. AI Crypto Trading Software Program enables automated crypto trading with maximized pre-configured settings for newbies. Nevertheless, more advanced users can arrange numerous crypto trading configurations on many crypto coins and be more hands-on with their cryptocurrency trading bot. Eazybot utilizes USDT as the base currency on multiple crypto exchanges. Therefore, you can run it simultaneously as a Binance trading robot, a Coinbase trading crawler, a Kraken trading robot, and a Huobi trading robot. Nevertheless, the Eazybot crypto auto trading bot can also be utilized as the world's #1 trading robot with even more crypto exchanges on the way. Eazybot has the most effective automated crypto trading platform among the functions that there is a free crypto trading bot variation offered. Moreover, it is the most effective cost-free crypto trading crawler option as the Eazybot trading bot software program has the same crypto trading strategies as the VIP variation. Eazybot is the best automated crypto trading robot that uses crypto place trading, cost averaging, crypto scalping technique, and a boosted kind of crypto grid trading. In addition, the Eazybot crypto software program has market crash improvement, which is an effective crypto trading robot technique as it can manage a 60% decline of the crypto market as well as it will certainly still earn a profit without the market needing to go back to the price of the initial order. Furthermore, the Eazybot crypto trading robot also has an auto-compounding function to enhance its crypto trading automation and use the power of substance interest to grow your trading resources. Click the link in the description to learn more about Eazybot.